And this is a minimally invasive robotic assisted hip. And she's 6 weeks now. Pain, can you stand on your right leg?
I can. It's more the balance.
Balance. Wow. And the other side?
I can do that one.
Amazing. The sort of robotic assisted, minimally invasive. So your other hip, your left one, was 10 years ago.
10 years ago, left hip, total hip replacement.
You're much younger then. And how have you felt the recovery this time from the hip point of view?
Well, it's been much quicker with this one than with that one. And I was 10 years younger then.
Wow.
So much different. So outdoors, I started walking 10 days to the corner, then up the road with two crutches. I'm now walking about 2 miles with my greyhound.
Wow. And your left one, can you remember that took, how long that took to crutches?
The left one really, I was on 2 crutches and then sticks. We were put onto sticks in those days, and that was for 6 weeks really. I needed the 2 sticks before. Yeah,
so you needed a lot of protection, and the pain was more...
And there was a lot of limitations then.
Right.
As you know, with a hip replacement.
The dislocation limitations.
Because of, yes.
And you had more pain on the left side?
Oh gosh, with this operation, out of the 4, it's been the least painful.
Wow.
I haven't had to take, I've only taken paracetamol and ibuprofen, no strong medication.
That's pretty impressive, isn't it?
Since being in hospital. And naproxen was good, but it didn't work properly for me because it upset me a bit. And I don't like taking codeine because it makes me feel sick.
Wow, you've done amazing. Well done, well done. So that's